Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday the 31st of October 2020, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for the Euro and the cable for the first week of November. Let's start with the Euro. And Euro could not break out higher as it after it retested the trendline break where it broke out over a month ago, and has fallen through the support and potentially going to retest the lows of a month ago. And if it does break through that, then there could be a retest of this 115 support level. So we'll see whether the bearish momentum continues next week, as the US dollar has been recovering last week with the market selling off in a risk-off mode. And after the ECB policy decisions last Thursday as well, this coming week there will be further volatility with the US presidential elections coming out on Tuesday, and followed by vote counting on Wednesday, and hopefully it won't take too long. But then there's also FOMC decisions on Thursday, early Friday morning for us in Asia, and as well the non-farm payroll report on Friday. So a lot of news coming up next week, and potentially high volatility. Let's take a look also on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, it could not break above the Kumo and fell through the Kumo right at the top of this Kumo here, and finally fell below that. So thus leaving this exposed area for further bearish momentum, bearish moves. All right. And let's switch over to the cable. And the cable could not break above the Tenkan Sen on the weekly time frame and pull back to the lows of the previous week. There could be as well further bearish momentum to drift lower down to the swing high, previous swing high, just above 128, and potentially to the Kijun, and which has also aligned with the 55 EMA. So that's a potential support zone where it could target as well. And for this week, the Bank of England will be announcing their policy decisions on Thursday, and as well there'll be exposure to the US presidential elections. So there is definitely high volatility in the markets for next week. Weekly Kijun is at 127.80 area. That's below this 100 pip. If we take a look on the daily time frame, it's been staying close to the Kumo, and now it has dipped below it, sitting around the Kijun on the daily time frame. So it could drift lower as well to the as we identified the swing high at the 100 fib and near the daily 200 EMA. Alright, so do watch out for next week. It's going to be extreme volatility in the markets with a lot of news to absorb. Alright, so stay safe, have a good trading week, and cheers for now.